Hello, welcome. So I was on Instagram on the doll houses page. I saw this marijuana weed braid design, and of course I decided to try it, and I did. It was fine, but the bottom leaves were not high enough. So I am just going to recreate it. I'll show you how I did it and let you know the mistake I made that made the last weed leaf to not be high enough. It was on the low. I sectioned the hair into two just to help me make sure that I am making the design in the middle of where I want the design to be. Mistake number one: do not make your braid so big that from one point of view someone cannot know exactly what the design is. So let's say somebody's standing at the back of your head, the person shouldn't see half of the leaf and be trying to figure out what the hell is on the head. And like when I was looking at my design straight from the back, the leaves were bent towards the side of the head. This head of my mannequin is not as big as that guy's head, so just make your design small and cute, where from one point of view you can know, yes, that's a leaf design, that's a marijuana leaf design. You get what I mean? So in the video I am going to show you how I made the outline. I used 5 leaves. You can braid 7 leaves or whatever. This is something that occurs in nature, so just customize it. And then I am going to show you how I make just 2 of the leaves, the biggest one and the one on the side. And then lastly I will show how I joined everything into the stem, into the stalk. I don't know what that part is called, just the midrib. I will braid everything down at the end and you'll see. So right now we are making the leaf, first leaf. On my channel I have different braided designs. I have butterfly, heart, star, I have crown, I have alphabets A to Z, I have numbers 0 to 9. I have a lot of braided designs on my channel, so if you're interested in just vamping up your hairstyle and just being more expressive with it in terms of braided design, especially for kids, then this is the best channel you should be seeing on YouTube. I swear, like, I don't make the neatest, most beautiful professional pictures, braid designs, but I am really creative with trying hair design. So you would definitely want to subscribe and just look around, because braid designs are my hobby and passion, so you will get to feel it. This is the first leaf, half of it is complete, and at the end of the video you will see where I messed up that made those last leaves to be limp and not high. So I'm just going to let you watch. I am going to fast forward the video just when the motion is repetitive. It's already repetitive, like you just keep braiding down like this to complete the leaf. Just watch, and if you like this, share with your friends and let's hide together. I don't mean, you know what I mean. Okay, let's continue.